So recently I saw this ad for something called the UltraLink TV antenna. It boldly claims you can get all TV channels for just 39 bucks and never pay for cable again. Right away I thought, yeah, sure, sounds totally believable. All channels for $40? Come on. So I decided to check the website. The site looks like one of those fake news pages dressed up as a consumer tips investigation. Big headline: you don't have to pay another dime for cable subscriptions thanks to the secret new invention. It even lists a fake reporter, Sarah Mitchell, with thousands of supposed shares and comments. The story goes that a NASA engineer discovered military technology that lets an antenna grab secret low-frequency broadcast waves cable companies don't want you to access. Right? I totally believe that one. Scroll down and it keeps repeating words like super antenna, loophole, and crystal clear HD. But no technical data, no frequency range, no gain, no specs at all. Just buzzwords and smiling families watching TV. Then comes the limited time offer part. Big green buttons scream order now and up to 65% off. So I clicked. The next page hits you with a countdown timer, units remaining, and hundreds viewing right now. Apparently one antenna costs $39.95, two cost $69.90, and three are the best deal at $89.85. Sure, because everyone needs three miracle antennas, right? It's full of urgency tricks and fake guarantees. At this point, I got curious and looked up the product image. And surprise, surprise, it's the exact same antenna sold on AliExpress for 99 cents. Not kind of similar, literally the same model, same design, even the same little star logo. So basically, they're reselling a $1 indoor antenna for 40 to 90 bucks with a fake NASA backstory. What a deal. Their website, of course, is packed with glowing 5-star reviews. Everyone's supposedly saving hundreds a month and getting 120 plus channels. But when you check real review sites like Trustpilot, nothing, zero, not one verified review. It's like all those happy customers only exist inside the scammer's imagination. Here's the real story. An antenna, any antenna, can only pick up free over-the-air broadcast channels. That means local stations like ABC, CBS, FOX, NBC, PBS, and maybe a few smaller sub-channels. It can't unlock cable-only networks, it can't stream Netflix, and it definitely doesn't use military technology. The real range of a small indoor antenna is about 10 to 40 miles depending on where you live, not 290 miles, not unlimited channels, just simple radio signals that were already free before this ad existed. And honestly, we've seen this exact scam before. Same fake news layout, same as seen on major media claims, just a different name on the box. Last time it was called something like WaveMax, Broadwave, or StarTune. They just rebrand and start the cycle all over again. Bottom line, UltraLink isn't a secret invention. It's a cheap relabeled antenna you can buy for $1, save your money. If you actually want free TV, get a normal indoor antenna from a real store for $15 or $20 and you'll get the same result, minus the lies. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you like seeing these scams exposed, make sure to subscribe. Stay smart, don't click order now just because someone says NASA, and I'll see you in the next one.